I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the vessel safe. Drain it, vent thoroughly, and verify zero internal pressure so you can work without risk. Once safe, clean the area to bright metal using a grinder or wire brush. Contamination kills weld integrity. Measure the hole and plate thickness, then mark a clear repair margin of 1 to 2 centimeters. You need these dimensions to choose a patch and welding parameters, so do not skip accurate measuring and documentation before moving to cutting and fit up. Once the area is prepped, cut out jagged metal and create a consistent bevel around the hole to allow full weld penetration. You then fabricate a patch from the same grade of steel and fit it with a small gap, about 1/16 to 1/8 inch, so you can get proper root fusion. Tack weld the patch at roughly 3 locations, spaced around 120 degrees to hold alignment. Make sure to manage heat input by alternating tacks and keeping short weld runs to prevent distortion. Finish the repair by running full weld passes, root to cap, using the specified filler metal and amperage based on plate thickness. You want complete fusion and a consistent profile. Once welded, grind only if necessary and then clean the joint for non-destructive testing. Dye penetrant or a hydrostatic pressure test to working pressure is ideal. If it passes, apply corrosion protection like primer and paint. Finally, monitor the vessel closely during initial operation. If you see seepage,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.